Hi guys, how are you? And today I want to tell you guys about my opinion on choosing the KV. I had chosen the KV because I'm good at design, so I want to improve those skills. I want to try out something new because I don't know anything about DKV. The DKV majoring has so many things to do, such as videography and photography, but there are still many things I haven't discovered yet, and sometimes it makes me want to study a lot. Uh, and now, the effectiveness of studying the cafe for the future is really important because in the future we will be facing technology, and also many people were using technology as a studying media. We were making it using software called Canva and PowerPoint. And now I want to tell you guys what we had studied in my school. In the first grade, I had studied topology, coding, sketching, and drawing. Our teacher taught us to how to make connection using a cable, and it's called a LAN and RG45. And we also learned about coding. That was the hardest part when I was in the first grade. Drawing is also very easy if you can draw, but unlucky for me, I can draw. When I was studying about 2D and 3D animation, I could explore many things in there. Uh, the 2D and 3D animations were made using software named Adobe Flash and Blender. About videography and photography, we studied many things such as how to get better quality video and how to make an animation in Adobe After Effects, and also how to operate camera and use it. We also know many parts of the camera like the lens, the body, the flash, and many more. My opinion about DKV is that many people should start to know how to discover the world by using a technology. In this era, people really like to post their live updates in social media. Just to know, the cafe is not just only learning about that. And I see many job prospects in the KV. People these days will pay you just for making designs for them. But not only that, because there are still more jobs you can do to earn money. But sometimes you need to learn it first before before doing it, because the KV is not an easy major. Now I want to talk about the way we can be more expressive and be more creative by learning the KV. First, we have to know the current world market, and we also have to follow trends. Second, we also have to understand at least some of the software so that later we don't miss the latest update. And the third, don't forget to create and don't forget to create a universal design that anyone can enjoy it. And finally, don't forget that when creating a design, you also have to add elements that are interesting to look at. An attractive design can bring many benefits such as popularity, money, and others. However, nowadays there are still many people who still find it difficult to understand technology, even though it really makes life easier. With technology based on DKV, we can make anything easy. There are many big, there are many examples. The point is, don't be lazy about learning and deepening your knowledge in DKV. because it is very useful and makes it easier so you don't regret it, because many job prospects nowadays really require skills from the KV. It is hoped that everyone can understand and study it well. Next, I will give examples of job obtained after studying the KV. First, there is a content creator. If you feel you can communicate well and show the benefits of your work to other people, then content creator is job that suits you. And the second, animator and illustrator. If you feel that you are good at creating animations and illustrations in either digital or physical form, then you can try it. And next, there are photographer and videographer with just a camera and knowledge of shooting or recording of techniques. You can make money from them. And there are web designers. This job is quite difficult to do because it requires coding skills, and there are still many other job prospects for the KV graduates. And if you feel you can draw, try designing a model such as a logo or a poster. Many people say that to enter the KV major, you must be able to draw. But in my opinion, that is a big mistakes because I can draw. But behind that, I can do other things such as I can operate Adobe Illustrator well as other software. The KV is not just about drawing, but also about how you can convey information through through the media provided, and this information is received by other people. Don't feel like a failure when we can draw, because the skills in the DKV major are very broad, and we have to find out for ourselves where are our strengths, difficulties are in studying it. I choose DKV because I saw that graduates from this major had a lot of income, so I wanted to try it. The difficulty I encountered I was in the equipment I had, because I didn't have a proper camera and computer, and I only have a simple cell phone, and still had a shallow understanding of DKV. However, after 2.5 years studying of DKV, now I can understand what DKV is and what has been taught for me in material or in practice. After that, I will explain the fieldwork practice that I have carried out for 6 months. Yes, I spent one semester interning at digital printing company called Instaprint. The experience gained through practical fieldwork is very good because it makes us understand the real world of work. Responsibilities are also learned from there, such as soft skills and others. In the DKV department, if you want to take part in an internship for 6 months, you will get a lot of benefits. Don't ever try to take an internship that deviates from your major, because that will only make you suffering. Most people are actually interested in design and techniques in photography. However, it is not uncommon for people to want to learn the KV because they are curious about coding and programming. In today's digital world, we should not ignore it. Even at this time, if we have a business such as merchandise and others, we can promote it on social media, such as Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and others. Moreover, many people now can create applications or websites to sell online. There are many uses for this DKV method. The most important thing is that we are not too lazy to study this DKV, but I always ask my teacher and my friends. At first, I couldn't, but no, but now I can do it because I asked my teacher and my friends. Yesterday, we also received an assignment to create a food poster and food poster design, and also a design regarding an apparel. We made it using Canva software. Canva software really makes it easier for everyone and anyone and anything we want to create, such as posters, PowerPoint, and logo design. In Canva, there are lots of elements and models, so we can make them as creative as possible. And there are also templates. Nowadays, there is also a lot of software used to create designs, and this is very profitable for entrepreneurs. I never thought that learning DKV could make things easier, so that I could do things with easy. I also hope that more and more people will be interested in this major so that there will be more technological developments from the number of people who study it. While I studied the cafe, I have not found that the cafe doing mathematics, and that is what makes David DKV different from other majors. In DKV, we are not asked to calculate like accounting majors, but we are asked to create design that suit to wishes of potential buyers of our service. I am very grateful that I did not encounter mathematics that was too difficult in DKV, because DKV is still related to mathematics on the topic of coding and programming language. And also in the DKV, we are also required to be creative and innovative so that the products or designs we make are not monotonous and make the audience bored. Moreover, there are so many designs examples on the internet that we can pay attention to them and modify them according to our wishes. Technology today in the past is very different, so we are required to adapt to existing technological development. It is not uncommon for people to want to teach their knowledge for free to people who still didn't understand technology. My teacher has taught me that the KV major is studying conveying message through visual elements or shapes. So, in this department, we are definitely asked to create information in an informative, communicative, and effective manner. Uh, my advice is that if you really like aesthetic and communicating, it is better to join the KV major. In the KV, everything will be taught both in schools and lectures. Why do most people choose to work from home or in a cafe? Because most of them have felt the benefits of the cafe. And do you have to go to school or college to study the cafe? Uh, the answer is no. You can learn anywhere and anytime as long as the device you use is adequate. Only with a cell phone, we can do anything, and with just a quota and mind, we can work from anywhere and anytime. However, Careers and Decafe are also very broad, and the possibility of being replaced by artificial intelligence uh, is quite small. And as a DKV, we also have to learn about layout, good composition, use of colors, and others. The experience offered in this major is very, very valuable for those interested. Uh, and of course, there must be an intention to learn it, because without intention, it will be in vain. Sejauh so far, I have studied the cafe, only finding I'm only finding a few difficulties in terms of drawing and coding. Apart from that, there are none because I studied happily and well, so that the learning material can be received by me really, really well. This major will not cause us difficulties unless we are lazy to learn it, such as being lazy to learn what tools are we use in the application. As I said before, a lot of software is used to do things too. When we want to edit photos, we will use Adobe Photoshop. When we want to edit video, we will use Adobe Premiere Pro, and we want to make posters, logos, and other things, we can use Canva. All the software that I have mentioned is very easy once you want to learn it, and there are a lot of tools to use. So we have to study it first before using it. Nowadays, with everything we can certainly search for anything easily, such as tutorials using Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, and Canva software. However, I mostly learn the tools through my teachers because the best knowledge still comes from the teachers themselves. The rest is our own intention to learn and make good use of what we have been given. And there is a opinion about TKV from me. Thank you.